Hey there, Quick Chef fam! Imagine rushing out the door for work, stomach growling, but no time for a healthy meal. Sound familiar? As a busy 20-something juggling deadlines and gym sessions, I've been there. But today, I'm sharing my secret weapon, a 15-minute quinoa salad that's bursting with flavor, nutrients, and zero hassle. This quick, healthy recipe is perfect for meal prep, make it once, eat all week. Packed with protein, fiber, and veggies, it'll keep you energized without the crash. Stick around as we dive into this easy meal that'll make you feel like a kitchen pro. If you're ready to upgrade your lunch game, hit that like button and let's get chopping. First things first, let's talk ingredients, simple, wholesome stuff you probably have in your fridge already. For 4 servings, grab 1 cup of quinoa, that's your protein powerhouse, 2 cups of water to cook it. Then chop up 1 cucumber into crisp bites, have a pint of cherry tomatoes for that juicy pop, and toss in a handful of fresh parsley for herby freshness. Don't forget half a cup of crumbled feta for creamy tang, and for protein boost, some chickpeas if you like. Oh, and a zesty dressing, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, mix it up. These quick, healthy ingredients come together fast, proving nutritious meals don't need fancy shopping trips. Feeling inspired? Comment below your favorite veggie add-ins. Alright, let's start with the star, quinoa. Rinse 1 cup under cold water to remove any bitterness, takes just 30 seconds. Pro tip, this ancient grain cooks quicker than rice and is gluten-free, ideal for us health-conscious hustlers. In a medium pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the rinsed quinoa, give it a stir, then lower the heat to simmer. Cover and let it bubble away for 12 to 15 minutes until fluffy and the water's absorbed. While that's happening, picture the nutty aroma filling your kitchen, mouthwatering, right? This step is mostly hands-off, freeing you to chop veggies. Easy meal prep like this is a game changer for busy days. If you're new to quinoa, welcome to the club, it's about to become your best friend. While the quinoa simmers, let's prep those veggies, it's therapeutic and super quick. Grab your cucumber and slice it into half moons, aim for bite-sized pieces that crunch delightfully. Have those cherry tomatoes, see how the juices glisten. It's like summer on a plate. Chop a bunch of parsley finely for that fresh, earthy kick. If you're adding chickpeas, drain and rinse a can, easy protein punch without cooking extra. Remember, this quinoa salad is all about balance. Veggies for vitamins, quinoa for sustained energy. As a busy pro, I love how these steps build flavor layers without overwhelming your schedule. Humor me, ever chopped veggies to de-stress after a long call? It's my secret therapy. Keep the energy up, we're halfway to lunch heaven. Ding, your quinoa's ready, fluff it with a fork to separate those tender grains. It should be light and airy, not mushy. Let it cool for a couple minutes while we mix the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice from 1 lemon, zest it first for extra brightness, a pinch of salt, and black pepper to taste. This simple vinaigrette ties everything together with a tangy zip that wakes up your taste buds. Pro tip for quick, healthy recipes, always taste and adjust. A little more lemon if you love acidity. As the quinoa cools, think about portioning it into jars for grab-and-go lunches. This method saved me during my crunch time weeks, healthy never tasted so effortless. Excited to mix it all, let's keep the momentum going. Now the fun part, assembly. In a big bowl, start with your cooled quinoa. Add those crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, chopped parsley, and feta crumbles. Watch how the colors mingle like a rainbow salad. If using chickpeas, fold them in for extra hardiness. Drizzle that zesty dressing over everything and toss gently with 2 spoons or your hands. Get in there and feel the textures. The quinoa soaks up the flavors while staying light. This step is where the magic happens. It's like creating art that's also insanely good for you. For us 20 to 35 crowd, this easy meal prep means no more sad desk lunches. Smells amazing already, doesn't it? One more toss and we're plating up. If you're following along, pause and savor the process. Cooking should feel empowering. Toss complete, look at that gorgeous, glossy salad. Before we plate, let's do a quick taste test. Fork in, crunch from cucumber, burst from tomato, creamy feta, and nutty quinoa all dancing with lemony brightness. Perfection. This quick, healthy recipe clocks in under 15 minutes active time, making it ideal for your packed schedule. Nutritionally, it's a winner. Quinoa delivers complete protein, veggies load up on antioxidants, and feta adds calcium without overdoing it. I remember my first time making this during a hectic work week. It was a total mood booster. Feeling the excitement build? That's the goal. Now let's make it look as good as it tastes. If this has your mouth watering, smash that subscribe for more fast fixes like this. Plating time, elevate this everyday salad to Instagram-worthy. Spoon generous portions into bowls or jars for meal prep. Top with a lemon wedge for that fresh squeeze and a sprinkle of parsley for pop. The key? Layer it. Quinoa base, then veggies, feta on top to avoid sogginess. As you plate, inhale that Mediterranean vibe. It's like a mini vacation in your kitchen. This version serves 4, so share with roommates or save for days ahead. Busy pros, this is your empowering hack. Nutritious, delicious, done. I always feel accomplished plating something so vibrant. Want variations? Swap feta for vegan cheese or add avocado for creaminess. Let's talk benefits next. Your body will thank you. Climax alert. The first bite, crunch, tang, freshness exploding, pure bliss. This salad isn't just food, it's fuel for your ambitious life. Quinoa provides sustained energy to power through meetings, while the veggies fight inflammation and boost immunity, key for us always on the go folks. Low-cal but filling, it's around 300 calories per serving, guilt-free indulgence. Personally, this recipe turned my lunch rut into a highlight. No more vending machine regrets. Share in the comments, what's your go-to healthy hack? As we wrap up the cooking, feel that sense of achievement. You've just mastered an easy meal prep that's as tasty as it is transformative. Hold on to that high next, some tips to make it your own. We've nailed the basics, but let's amp it up with tips and variations to keep things fresh. Store in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 4 days, perfect meal prep. For a twist, grill some chicken or shrimp for extra protein if you're feeling fancy. Vegan, skip feta, add nuts for crunch. Seasonal swap, use seasonal veggies like bell peppers in summer or roasted beets in fall. This flexibility is why quick healthy recipes rock. They adapt to your life. Energy-wise, it'll keep you sharp without the afternoon slump. I once prepped this for a whole week and crushed my goals, like if you're meal prepping this weekend. Now, as we wind down, reflect on how simple swaps lead to big health wins. Beyond the recipe, this quinoa salad embodies easy, empowering eating. It's affordable, under $10 for 4 meals, and customizable to your tastes or dietary needs. Track your wins: better focus, glowing skin, steady energy. For busy young adults like us, small kitchen victories build confidence. Anecdote time: I started with this during a job switch and it grounded me amid chaos. Variations keep it exciting. Try tahini dressing for creaminess or quinoa bowls with eggs for breakfast. Remember, healthy doesn't mean boring, it's vibrant and quick. If this sparked joy, share it with a friend who's always too busy to eat well. We're almost done. Final thoughts coming up to seal the deal. And there you have it, Quick Chef friends, your new favorite 15-minute quinoa salad, ready to conquer your week. You've learned the steps, felt the flavors, and discovered how easy healthy can be. This isn't just a recipe. It's a lifestyle boost for us driven 20 to 35-year-olds. Recapped: rinse, cook, chop, mix, devour. Don't forget to like if you're trying this, subscribe for more quick healthy recipes, and hit the bell for notifications. Comment your twists below, I read them all. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Go forth and eat well. Until next time, stay energized and keep it quick. What's next on your menu? See you soon.